Welcome back to PassFab, everyone. Did you recently set up your iPhone 16 with a new password and somehow managed to forget it shortly after? In today's video, we're diving into a helpful guide on how to bypass the iPhone lock screen if you found yourself locked out due to a forgotten password. We've got two solutions to help you regain access to your iPhone. Solution 1. Bypass lock screen using Forgot Passcode. Bypassing the lock screen using the Forgot Passcode option. This is a straightforward approach, so let's walk through the steps together. Enter the wrong passcode several times until your iPhone displays iPhone Unavailable. You'll then see the Forgot Passcode option on the screen. Select this. We have two options to unlock the device, using the old password to change it or resetting it with the iPhone. Let's try using the old password first. Click on Enter Previous Passcode, type in your old password, and then set a new one. In a moment, you should be done. If you've forgotten the old password, we can use the iPhone Reset option instead. Go back to the Forgot Passcode screen and choose iPhone Reset to start the reset process. You'll need to enter your Apple ID password to sign out and begin the reset. Click on Erase iPhone button. The reset will take a few minutes. Once done, your iPhone will show the Hello screen, allowing you to set it up as a new device or restore from a backup. Remember, this method only works if certain conditions are met. If not, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Using PassFab iPhone Unlocker. If the first method isn't working for you, give this a try. Click the link in the video description to download the PassFab iPhone Unlocker software. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Open PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Click Start. Put your iPhone into recovery mode by pressing the volume up and down buttons, then holding the power button. We have successfully entered recovery mode. Click the download option and wait for the firmware to download. Once downloaded, click Start Remove to begin the process. After the process is complete, unplug the lightning cable from your iPhone and set it up as new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more iPhone tips. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.